if you see them doing the right thing, you also need to copy the right thing from them. But you still want to give them as an opportunity to demonstrate. Okay, colleagues, thank you. Let's start. Remember, colleagues, last week we did Canva, and because of our network, we couldn't go through. So today we are going to do the notebook LM. So let me take you up back. Last week, after the Canva training, I was able to download the following. This grade 10 lesson plan on greenhouse effect. All right, let me just open this lesson. I want you to see the lesson. Okay, colleagues. So basically, when you are designing your lesson, this is what's known as the ICT integration in the classroom, also known as your AI integration or AI in education. It means now that you are integrating these different tools to get the desired lesson. Check now what I did last week. To those who attended the meeting, we planned this lesson. It was on greenhouse effects. Gave us the time. It is also kept aligned based on the prompting that we put on our lesson. Okay, let's go down. This is a topic, composition of the atmosphere, greenhouse effect or gases. There we are. Gave us all these gases. Here's the information that we have. When you scroll down, colleagues, you notice it is written Notebook LM. This is a free app from Google. You click on that one. It is going to load. When it loads, colleagues, you are going to click on Create New. Yes, Mr. Kekan?
Mr. Sambo? Yes, sorry to interject, my brother. We are unable to see where you are. The only what we are able to see, it's now we can see. All right, because we were able to see only the Internet Explorer page only. All right, no, I think it's fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think on my side the network is slow. It means that maybe I can maybe move slow and let the things to load. Maybe I'm thinking.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay, are you on the notebook LM? It is going to generate the audio. Here is written customize audio overview. Mr. Kekana, can you see something like that? Kekana?
Yeah, we can see the studio.
Okay, audio customize audio overview. Can you see that one?
Yes, we can see it, sir.
Okay, colleagues. So you can tell AI if you want this lesson to be interactive, deep dive, brief, critique, or it can critique the lesson over the voice prompt. It's like a debate. They can talk about the lesson as well. You can tell AI length to be short or also to be long. You can also choose a language that you want the lesson to interact with voice. They have Afrikaans, they don't have your African languages. Then you generate. So it is generating, colleagues. You can also choose a side deck. Side deck means PowerPoint presentation. You choose in that one. How do you want it to be detailed? Presenter slide. Then you can choose the one that you want. I want it to be detailed. Video overview, you click on video again, colleagues. Under video overview, you can choose that you want the video to be an explainer. It's going to explain the lesson. Or you want it to be brief. It's going to be brief. Choose the theme. How do you want it to appear? The visual style, you can choose any. But I'm going to choose this one, written watercolor, generate. Mind map. You click on mind map. It is going to generate a mind map, colleagues. You can also click on quizzes. Here are the quizzes. Fewer, more. What should the topic be? It's going to cover the quizzes as you want them. The level of difficulties of the questions. You want them to be easy for the learners. You want them to be medium, or you want them to be hard. Then you can generate. Let us have the last one, the infographic. Infographic, again, you're going to tell the AI, I want my infographic to be as follows. I want it to be, for example, like this sketch note, kawaii, professional, scientific. You can have that infographic the way you want it. On my case, I just want it to be editorial, then generate, is generating, sorry. Okay, but in the meantime, let me just go to the mind map. So I'm on the mind map. Mr. Kekana, can you see the mind map? Colleagues, can you see the mind map?
Yes, sir. I think the network is good now.
Okay, thank you, colleagues. Here, colleagues, remember, we are saying you are now taking the lesson so that it is more interesting, it is more interactive using AI in the classroom. I'm talking about the greenhouse effects and gases. What are they composed of? They are composed of permanent gases, variable gases, and solids. What are variable gases? You click. These are the variable gases, sorry, permanent gases, and these are the variable gases. So now this lesson is interactive. Let me just skip the greenhouse process. Check. These are the greenhouse process. Shortwave solar radiation, surface energy absorption, long wave, radiation emission, radiation trapping by gases. So basically here, you can even take this one back, a back like that, a back like that. Maybe have the processes only with your learners. Then you download the processes. It's going to be downloaded as a picture. Then this picture, remember, you were explaining the notes. Here it is. You can also be able to send this one on their WhatsApp group. Last week, let's check this one for last week. You see, they are finished. All right. Okay, colleagues, remember, this is your NTA or National Teaching Awards preparation on AI tools. The requirements, as Mr. Kekana has indicated last week, is the learner engagement. Learners, they need to be engaged to the lesson. It's not about the teacher being in front teaching without the learner being engaged. How do you use AI tool to ensure that the learners are engaged? This is another tool, colleague. For example, I have generated the audio. Let's just play the audio. I'm clicking on play. Let us listen to it.
It is it's incredibly rare to open up a dense scientific breakdown of atmospheric chemistry.
Mr. Kokana, can you hear the sound?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, sharp. So
let's find a piece of classic philosophical advice sitting right at the very top.
Yeah, you really don't expect it in a geography lesson plan.
Right. But to understand the mechanics of
you
the
click on
climate crisis,
interactive. So it's going to be interactive now and engage the learner to be part of the lesson and yourself as well. You click on join.
Oh, hey there, what's up?
Yes, guys, can you please explain the part of the gases? I don't understand the atmospheric gases. Kindly dive deep on them.
That is a fantastic request.
Absolutely. We were just about to dive in.
You want to know more about the atmospheric gases?
That is the core mechanical reality.
We absolutely can and should dive deep on this right now.
It is the most important part to grasp.
Okay, let's start with the big... Oh, back to our listener.
Yes, I'm back. I'm back. You know what, guys? I want you to explain them because I'm with the grade 10 learner. I want this one to capture the attention of a grade 10 learner. Don't be at a high level, but a grade 10 learner for Gauteng schools in South Africa.
That is a wonderful goal and an excellent request.
We absolutely love that.
We can certainly frame this discussion to capture the attention of a grade 10 learner.
And focusing on the core concepts, not the jargon, is what we do best.
We'll use clear analogies just like you would find in that geography lesson plan.
This means we'll focus on the what's and the why with real-world examples.
And we will stick to...
Okay, colleagues, I think now you are able to understand that when you talk about the learner engagement, you tell this AI, I want you to capture the attention of these learners. Maybe it can be grade 5 learners, even the learners themselves, using their cell phones. They are able to talk to this AI, but they need someone like you who's going to guide them. So you have seen that one. Let's go to the video part. The video is generated as well. Same document that I've uploaded. Let us see how it is going to work on the video.
All right, let's talk about something that's, well, literally the reason we're all here, the greenhouse effect. We're going to break down how it works, why it's so incredibly important for life on this planet, and yet through space. I mean, it's not just that we're a much more elegant system. You could almost call it a planetary superpower.
And the
Okay,
answer
all right,
is
colleagues. So this video again, you can download this video and be able to share the video to their WhatsApp group. I also forgot to indicate on the audio, you can also be able to download it as well. Okay. Maybe lastly on this part, colleagues, of the Notebook LM, let us go to the presentation. Same thing, colleagues. You go to this 3-dot line, you can download